Hi, I'm Mike from Brutsche Concrete Products, and this is our production facility. So this is the small end of the production facility where we create the burial vaults, produce all the burial vaults. It's where Brutsche Concrete Products got its start back in 1910. They started producing burial vaults then, and they still continue on today. This is the bread and butter of the company, but we're always looking to diversify, in which we have into pole base, which has been a fantastic addition to our facility and business. This is the big end where the batcher, the mixer, the 10-ton crane, and some of the larger forms and products are produced that we make, where pole base is produced. This is Jeff Porter Rogers. He's the actual hands-on guy that will make the pole bases for you, and all the specs that you request and require, he puts it all together. I merely put it on paper, he puts it in the product. Jeff, can you walk us through the process of actually making this pole? What is your part in this whole role?
Well, my part is I gotta start from the ground up. Of course, I get all the information from the contractors. It goes through Mike, he gives me the final. And then from there, take the basic base, which is at 4 foot. We can add any increment we want to go what height you want. That goes down flat. There's holes all preset into those, so that way when you put the anchor bolt in, it holds it in place exactly where you want it. The conduit goes in after that. You put in a couple of binders, holders for it. They go straight up, and then on the magnet here, depending on what height that you want the conduit, we'll put them at that spot. And then we have a cage that goes through that, all horizontal and vertical rebar. Other than that, close her up, make sure everything's nice and oiled, and pour it. And once I pull it out, go over it, spot check it, make sure that it looks good. I really like my poles to look good. You take it into a more different setting than, say, like our police station. We just recently did that last year. Everybody sees that. When they walk through, they see that pole. And for me, I don't want someone looking at that like that's ugly. I can look at that and say, I did that one. I know I did that one. And that's the part that makes us different.
As you can see, it's exactly what he had wanted. The anchor bolts are in the exact same spot. They're all true square. Configuration of the conduit. It's ready to be placed in the hole, so they can just plug it in, backfill, and attach their light pole to it. The finish on these come out really, really smooth. It's so much better than anything you can do on site. Everything's consistent, it's engineered properly, and it looks great. So if you're working on a site lighting project and you want some assistance with some pole bases, give Brutsche Concrete Products a call, and we can assist you in getting some of these to your job site so you can efficiently get on to your next project. This will be a great addition, and it's going to stand out with the competition. It's going to look fantastic.